Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I recently received this KitchenAid's newest shaved ice machine that's supposed to give us Taiwanese traditional shaved ice experience, so we're going to try it out today. Let's see what's inside the box. We have 4 ice containers for us to make ice cube that is perfect for the attachment. Okay, never mind. And they also come with 4 lids. It's spill-proof and keeping our ice cube clean. This attachment can make either coarse or fine ice. Coarse is more like snow cone texture, fine is more like shave ice. We will be using the fine attachment for this video. The attachment itself has a few components. First is the ice pusher. This is controlled by the switch on the top of the attachment. It will retract or release the ice pusher. Then there's the ice cube container, followed by the ice blade on the bottom. It can be taken down to wash by simply twisting it off. First things first, let's prepare the ice. There is a line in the container to show where should the water be filled up to. Usually it takes 6 to 8 hours for an ice cube to be completely frozen. During the wait, we can prepare the rest of the ingredients like fruits, condensed milk, brown sugar water, and etc. Also set up the shaved ice attachment. Release the ice by pressing the X mark on the back of the container. We can release the ice directly into the shaved ice container. Remember to make sure the ice pusher should be at the retracted position. Lock the ice container following the arrow on it. Release the ice pusher by flicking the top switch. Now we are fully ready. Let's go! Isn't it satisfying? This is 1 full ice cube amount. I'd say this is a pretty good size for an adult. At this point, we can add whatever we'd like on the shaved ice. Personally, I only like brown sugar water and the condensed milk. But if you're fancy, you can add all kinds of fruits, pudding, boba pearls, anything you like. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching this video. What do you like to put on your shaved ice? Comment down below and let me know. I'm very curious. Have a great, wonderful day. I will see you guys soon. Bye!